Not quite there yet in IWM, not there in Delta. SPY, nope. Dow, actually still showing some strength. If anything, that's a buy. I'm not going to look to buy that right now. NVIDIA, no. SMH, muddled. AMAT, we talked about. Looks like it might have put in a short-term bottom right around the 38.20 area. Facebook was looking weak before, still looking weak. The same thing is that what we were talking about. You could just close your eyes and sell it, but we have nowhere to lean. So I think the reward is probably 40 cents, and we're probably risking 40 cents. So I'm not in the game of wanting to flip quarters here. We'll take a look at Caterpillar in a second, Melinda, but right now we're looking at Comcast, CSA. This is the regular, Feb 1st, 36 calls. Buy those at 27 cents. All right, let me get the banner out to you guys. We're going to be leaning on the hull here. If it cannot hold, okay, those things go 27 bid, so I don't think that we're going to get them. They're 27 bid at 28.